values of t varying from 0 to 2 pi with increment of 1 to 1. This is command for polar plot. Polar in bracket t comma sine of t into cos of t, and this is the line style, that is dash, that is continuous style, and B indicates the color as blue. We'll see this example in MATLAB. So I'll copy this that example. Okay, this is the polar plot indicated by the dash, that is continuous line, and color is blue. Okay. Next, we'll see the customization of plot. So we can customize the line style, line color, or marker color. We'll see first the line style. In command plot, this is x versus y, and this is the line style. Double dash indicate the dash lines. Okay, for continuous line, use single dash, that is solid line or continuous line. This is dotted line and dash and dot line. So you can change the line style here and check the graph or plot. Second one is the marker specifier or marker style. Here in this example, S indicate the square type marker. So you can change the marker type given in table. We'll see this example in MATLAB. Okay. So here in first example we have seen the marker type as a square. So in multiplot example, here in this example we have seen the marker as a square. So we can change the marker type as suppose circle or point type or cross type. So put there x or put there plus sign. So we'll change the sign here, copy the same program. Here I'll change the marker type as plus, then copy the program. Okay, CLC, clear all, close all. This is the marker type, that is plus. Okay. So here you can change the properties of the graph. Next one is the color specifier. Here you can change the color of the plot. R indicates, in this function R indicates the red color. You can use color from this chart, or you can customize your own color using the RGB code. Okay. Next, this is the surface plot. This is type of 3D plot. We'll see this example in MATLAB, where this is surface in x, y and z axis. Z is the height, x and y are the planar axis. Okay. So moving to the next example. This is surface plot. So here mesh grid means these values are changed and saved to these two axes or two values x and y. Okay, z is function of x and y sine of x minus x cos of y, and this is handler S is surface plot, x y z axis, this is function, phase alpha to the value 0.5. Okay. Next is subplot. We have seen the single plot in previous slide. So we'll see what are the different subplot or types of subplot. Here, if we want to plot 4 graphs or 4 plot in a single figure, then what is the command? Use subplot. Here, subplot 2, 2, 1 indicate 2 rows, 2 columns, and position is first. So this is the graph. So this is command subplot. We have seen the single plot. Now we will have 4 plots or 4 graphs in a single figure. So use command subplot. Here subplot 2, 2, 1 indicate 2 rows, 2 columns and position of graph, that is it is in first position 2, 2, 1. So this is the first graph. X is ranging from 0 to 2 pi with increment of 0.12. Okay, we'll see this example in MATLAB. So this is subplot example. Before running the subplot example, we'll use command clc, then clear all, then close all if figures are open. Okay. This is the subplot function. So here first we write the values of x ranging from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, then subplot 2, 2, 1 means first position we use plot x, sine of x. So it will put the x versus, that is x versus sine of x graph in first position. Then subplot 2, 2, 2. In second position we plot the plot x, cos of x. Okay. So moving on, next one, plot 2, 2, 3, that is second row, second column and third position. This is plot subplot 2, 2, 4, that is 2 rows, 2 columns and position is the fourth one. So using subplot command we can plot different types of graph or different plot in a single figure. Okay, close all, CLC. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt or any query, please contact us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.